What do you reply with instead of bless you after someone sneezes? Gesundheit, aggressively German accent. My friend says Hail Satan, which is pretty funny. Gesundheit. Shut up. You're so good looking. Past 2 years I've yelled evacuate the building. I usually go with Eisficata, but I think that's more to do with where I'm from. I don't. Why should I bless them? They're spreading God knows what through the air. They should apologize. Edit the above is sarcastic. I don't expect them to apologize. But I don't say anything. Gesundheit, or Wohlsein. Nothing. Responding to a sneeze is stupid. You good? Need a tissue? Is my alternative whenever I have some tissues with me. I keep some around usually because I'm a bit allergic to my dog. Cheers. Up your bum with a rubber plum.